Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur Pabung Birani mafamda haijari madudi akhoi je hoji Visakhapatnam gi Baichai district da leijaba satrani akhoi je class 12 thaba loiraga yum thokpada nanghodabadagi leijabane lockdown yauraga akhoi na tha mayam ama kuire pamba mayam thijarakpa yum chatpa yanaba adubu sungoi oidare akhoi gi Manipur gi government na sinbiriba train gi pau ngairaga lairinga sida yam thina punsibu temsingnaba yaba thodok thoe
Ngasai ayuk pung 2:30 ꯑꯗꯥꯏꯗ LG Polymersꯇꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁ ꯂꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯤ 1,000,000ꯕꯨ ꯍꯣꯁꯄꯤꯇꯥꯂꯥꯏꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ 5,000 ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯤ 9ꯗꯒꯤ 10ꯃꯨꯛ ꯁꯨꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯏꯐ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯤꯔꯦꯇꯔꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯇ ꯆꯪꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ 10ꯗꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯁꯤꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔ 4ꯗꯪꯅꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 4ꯗꯪꯗꯨ ꯀꯤꯂꯣꯃꯤꯇꯔ 4ꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 4ꯗꯪꯅꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ 3 ꯑꯃꯒ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯄꯨꯔꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯅꯛꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯈꯠꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯍꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏꯌꯦꯅ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯍꯣꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯑꯒꯗꯤ COVID-19ꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯣ ꯆꯠꯄꯗꯣ ꯀꯤꯖꯩ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯄꯥꯕꯨꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯅꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯌꯣ.
We would like to request the Chief Minister and the government to take actions accordingly as soon as possible, as we are not sure about this case.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯇꯦꯝꯁꯤꯡꯅꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯂꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯒ꯭ꯌꯥꯁꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯤꯟꯖꯥꯛ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯊꯛꯏꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯀꯟꯇꯥꯃꯤꯅꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯑꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯇꯦꯝꯁꯤꯡꯅꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ like it's reached a situation where it's very risky for us to live here, so we would like to request the government to kindly send the officials to take us out of from here, oh Lord, please. We would like to request.